Hello, this is Flat Renovation Update, day 38. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So in the bathroom, we don't have any more progress as yet. Hopefully this will be sorted out still. This area over here, this wall has been primed, so it still needs to be painted. And this area has been done, and then also they've done the crete stone around here, and also over here. So this still needs to be primed as well, like that, and painted. What else? I also did the crete stone up over there, and I think that's it. But now, Alkaline Permabonds. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I'm just saying this is a really cool product. Anyway, that's day 38.